Have you ever thought of an eternal flame existing in our world? One that has been burning continuously for thousands of years, unaffected by rain, snow, or wind? Believe it or not, it's right here in the country of Azerbaijan, also known as the Land of Fire, one of the most underrated destinations in Europe that you need to visit right now. Welcome, discoverers! In today's video, we're going to explore Azerbaijan, a country home to some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes and historic sites, yet still undiscovered by many travelers. Despite its incredible potential as a travel destination, it often goes overlooked by many due to its lesser popularity. So fasten your seatbelts and let's fly to the Land of Fire, Azerbaijan. Located at the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia, Azerbaijan is a captivating country that boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Bordered by the Caspian Sea to the east and sharing borders with Russia to the north, Georgia to the northwest, Armenia to the west, and Iran to the south, Azerbaijan occupies a strategic location that has shaped its unique identity over millennia. With a history dating back thousands of years, Azerbaijan has been a cultural melting pot, influenced by various civilizations, including Persian, Ottoman, and Russian. This rich historical heritage is reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions, making Azerbaijan a fascinating destination for travelers seeking to delve into the past while experiencing the vibrancy of modern life. Now let's explore places to visit in Azerbaijan. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Azerbaijan's capital city, Baku. Nestled along the shores of the Caspian Sea, Baku is a vibrant metropolis, known for its stunning architecture and modern skyline, where ancient history meets modernity. One of the most iconic landmarks in Baku is the Flame Towers, 3 skyscrapers that dominate the city's skyline and are illuminated with LED lights that flicker like flames. Another must-visit destination here is the UNESCO-listed Old City of Baku, known as Icherisheher. Wander through narrow alleyways lined with centuries-old buildings and soak in the atmosphere of this ancient city within a city. Visit historic landmarks like the Maiden Tower, the Palace of the Shirvanshahs, and the Juma Mosque. Just a short drive from Baku lies the mystical Gobustan National Park. Prepare to be transported back in time as you explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to thousands of ancient rock carvings dating back over 40,000 years. Marvel at the intricate designs depicting scenes of hunting, dancing, and daily life. And don't forget to visit the park's famous mud volcanoes, where you can witness nature's fiery spectacle up close. It's a surreal and otherworldly destination that offers visitors the chance to explore the wonders of Azerbaijan's geological and cultural heritage. Just outside of Baku is the Ateshgah Fire Temple, also known as the Fire Temple of Baku, an ancient religious site located in Surakhanits believed to have been a place of worship for Zoroastrians who revered the eternal flames that burn from natural gas vents in the ground as a symbol of purity and divine energy. It is believed to have been built in the 17th or 18th century atop a natural gas vent that has been burning for thousands of years. Next, we're heading to the charming town of Sheki, nestled in the foothills of the Greater Caucasus Mountains. Here, you'll find the stunning palace of the Sheki Khans, a masterpiece of medieval architecture adorned with intricate frescoes, stained glass windows, and exquisite carvings. Take a step back in time as you explore the palace's opulent halls and lush gardens, and don't miss the chance to sample Sheki's famous baklava, a sweet treat that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Our journey continues to the picturesque town of Quba, known as the gateway to the Caucasus Mountains. Set against a backdrop of snow-capped peaks and lush valleys, Quba is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike through pristine forests, explore quaint mountain villages, and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of this enchanting region. And be sure to try Quba's traditional dish, piti, a hearty stew that's perfect for warming up after a day of exploration. Now we make our way to the resort town of Gabala, nestled in the heart of the Caucasus Mountains. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a nature lover, Gabala has something for everyone. Hit the slopes at the Tufandag Mountain Resort, where you can enjoy world-class skiing and snowboarding in the winter months, or take a leisurely stroll around Lake Nohur, surrounded by serene forests and breathtaking mountain views. And don't forget to sample Gabala's delicious local cuisine, featuring hearty kebabs, flavorful dolma, and mouth-watering sweets. After exploring the popular destinations, let's discover the natural wonders of Azerbaijan. Let's kick things off with Yanar Dag, or Burning Mountain, a natural gas fire that burns continuously on a hillside near Baku. Flames jet into the air 3 meters, or 9.8 feet, from a thin, porous sandstone layer. It's a mesmerizing sight to behold, with flames that flicker and dance against the night sky. And it's a popular destination for visitors seeking to witness this natural phenomenon up close. Unlike mud volcanoes, the Yanar Dag flame burns fairly steadily, as it involves a steady seep of gas from the subsurface. It is claimed that the Yanar Dag flame was only noted when accidentally lit by a shepherd in the 1950s. Next up, the Caspian Hyrcanian Mixed Forests, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in northern Azerbaijan. These ancient forests are home to a rich diversity of plant and animal species, including the Persian leopard, and are a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Moving on, we have Shah Dag National Park, a vast protected area located in the Greater Caucasus Mountains. It's home to diverse ecosystems, including alpine meadows, forests, and glaciers, and offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from hiking and mountain biking to skiing and snowboarding. And lastly, Lake Goygel is a stunning alpine lake located in the foothills of the Caucasus Mountains. Surrounded by lush forests and snow-capped peaks, it's a popular destination for hiking, picnicking, and enjoying the natural beauty of Azerbaijan. Now let's talk about Azerbaijani cuisine, which is as diverse and flavorful as the country itself. One of the most iconic dishes you'll find here is plov, a fragrant rice dish cooked with saffron, meat, and spices. Each region of Azerbaijan has its own unique twist on plov, so be sure to try it wherever you go for a taste of local flavor. Another must-try dish is dolma, grape leaves stuffed with a savory mixture of rice, meat, and herbs. These bite-sized delights are bursting with flavor and are often enjoyed as a festive treat during special occasions and celebrations. If you're a fan of dumplings, you'll love dushbara, tiny dumplings filled with seasoned meat and served in a flavorful broth. These little parcels of goodness are the ultimate comfort food and are perfect for warming up on a chilly day. Of course, no visit to Azerbaijan would be complete without trying the country's famous kebabs. Whether you prefer juicy lamb, tender beef, or succulent chicken, you'll find a wide variety of kebabs to choose from. Each seasoned to perfection and grilled to smoky perfection. And don't forget to save room for dessert. Azerbaijani cuisine is known for its delicious sweets, including baklava, layers of flaky pastry filled with nuts and honey. It's the perfect way to end a meal on a sweet note. Before we continue, here's some fascinating trivia you may not have known yet about this country. Did you know that Azerbaijan is known as the Land of Fire? This nickname comes from the country's ancient Zoroastrian roots and due to its abundance of natural gas vents, which have been burning for thousands of years. Hence, the flame towers were built to serve as a commemoration of Azerbaijan's identity as the Land of Fire. Azerbaijan is home to the Caspian Sea, the largest inland body of water on Earth. This majestic sea is bordered by 5 countries and is a vital resource for the region's economy and ecology. In 1918, Azerbaijan became the first Muslim-majority country to grant women the right to vote. This historic milestone marked a significant step forward for women's rights in the region. Azerbaijani mugham music is a traditional genre characterized by its soulful melodies and improvisational style. It's often performed with instruments like the tar and kamancha and is a cherished part of the country's cultural heritage, often performed at weddings, festivals, and other special occasions. Carpet weaving is another important aspect of Azerbaijani culture, with designs and motifs passed down through generations. Azerbaijani carpets are prized for their beauty and craftsmanship, with intricate designs and vibrant colors that reflect the country's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. Nowruz is one of Azerbaijan's most important holidays, marking the arrival of spring with bonfires, music, and dancing. Customs include jumping over bonfires to symbolize purification. It's a time for families to come together, exchange gifts, and celebrate the renewal of nature. Chovkan, a traditional Azerbaijani sport similar to polo, has been played for centuries in the region. It requires skill, agility, and teamwork, and is often accompanied by music and festivities. Tea culture is deeply ingrained in Azerbaijani society, with tea houses, called chaykhana, serving as social hubs where people gather to relax and socialize. Tea is typically served in small glasses with sugar cubes and lemon, and it's considered impolite to refuse a cup. Azerbaijani traditional clothing varies by region, but often includes garments like the chapan, a long coat, arkalig, an embroidered skullcap, and kelaghayi, a silk scarf. These colorful and intricately decorated garments reflect the country's rich cultural heritage and are worn during special occasions and festivals. Dance is an integral part of Azerbaijani culture, with a wide variety of traditional dances performed throughout the country. From energetic dances like Yali and Zorkana to graceful dances like the Agchichek and Naz Elama, each dance tells a story and expresses the spirit of the Azerbaijani people. The Baku Jazz Festival is an annual event that attracts top jazz musicians from around the world. Held in various venues across the city, it's a celebration of music, culture, and creativity that draws jazz enthusiasts from near and far. The International Mugam Festival celebrates Azerbaijan's rich musical heritage with performances, workshops, and competitions featuring traditional Mugam musicians. It's a unique opportunity to experience the soulful melodies and improvisational style of Azerbaijani music in its purest form. Transportation in Azerbaijan encompasses various modes, providing options for both urban and inner-city travel. In urban areas like Baku, residents and visitors can rely on an extensive public transportation system, including buses, metro, and taxis. Baku Metro is the oldest underground rapid transit system in the former Soviet Union and serves as a vital transportation link for residents and visitors alike. With its ornate stations, efficient service, and affordable fares, it's a convenient and reliable way to explore the city and beyond. Heydar Aliyev International Airport is the main gateway to Azerbaijan, welcoming millions of passengers each year from around the world. With its modern facilities, convenient location, and extensive network of domestic and international flights, it's your ticket to discovering all that Azerbaijan has to offer. Azerbaijani is the official language of Azerbaijan and is spoken by the majority of the population. It's written in the Latin script and is closely related to Turkish and other Turkic languages, making it relatively easy for speakers of other Turkic languages to understand. Russian is also widely spoken and understood in Azerbaijan, particularly among older generations and in urban areas. It's a legacy of the country's history as part of the Russian Empire and later the Soviet Union, and it remains an important language for business, education, and communication. Despite being underrated, Azerbaijan's beauty is undeniable, promising unforgettable adventures and memories that will surely last a lifetime. So, as you embark on your next journey, consider visiting this hidden gem, where the past and present intertwine in a tapestry of discovery and wonder. What an incredible journey! If you've been captivated by this vibrant destination, why not keep the adventure going? Hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to become part of our amazing community. Until next time, see you in our next Discover Atlas adventure. See ya!